The new Apple Watch Series 9 and the Watch Ultra 2 are about to launch, and today we've got plenty of details including the specs, design, and the price. So first up, we've got news of the improvements to the Apple Watch Ultra Generation 2, and the biggest change is going to be in the display. Its predecessor had a 49mm display, but the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 gets an upgrade to 50mm, and this is without changing its size. The display is just larger, with the bezels being smaller. We've also got news that it's going to be slightly lighter as well, but we don't have the exact weight just yet. For those wanting something that looks different, we've also got reports that a new black titanium frame is going to be available as well, but this is going to be for the Ultra only. Now, there have been many rumors that Apple are going to ditch the OLED displays in favor of mini LED, but all the leakers now seem to be in agreement that this isn't the case for the new Apple Watch Ultra 2, and more likely for an Apple Watch in a couple of years' time. Now, powering the Watch Ultra 2 is of course going to be the new S9 chip, and according to Mark Gurman, it's based on the A15 Bionic used in the iPhone 13, but the upgraded chip is going to of course bring increased performance in both raw power, and it's also going to bring improvements to battery life. This is going to help Apple massively when it comes to the new features in watchOS 10, and this is reportedly going to deliver a new widget system on top of many other improvements. When it comes to the standard Apple Watch 9 series, we've got news that there's going to be a new pink color option added on top of all of the colors we had last year, but apart from the new chipset, the Apple Watch 9 remains pretty much the same as the Watch 8, and it's going to be available in a choice of 41 or 45mm. Now, both the Apple Watch 9 and the second generation Apple Watch Ultra are going to be launched alongside the new iPhone 15, and according to Mark Gurman, it's going to be next month on the 12th of September. The pre-orders are going to take place on the 15th of September, which is the following Friday, and the release is likely to be on the 22nd of September. And when it comes to the pricing, like all electronics this year, we are going to see some price bumps, but given that the watches don't have as powerful chips as the iPhone, then we won't see the large increase that they're getting, and it's estimated that the Watch 9 series is going to start from about $450 for the aluminium with no cellular data, $750 for the stainless steel with cellular and GPS, and then $850 for the new Apple Watch Ultra 2. So overall, the Apple Watch Series 9 is just minor improvements to last year's releases, which means anyone with an Apple Watch 8 isn't going to be rushing for an upgrade. But for those in need of a new watch though, or anyone looking for their first Apple Watch, then it's definitely going to be a great choice. Now, with launch just around the corner, we'll be getting more and more information as we approach it, and of course I'm going to be sharing it as soon as it comes in, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.